The Confidence Rewire transcript, a hypnotic trance to neutralize fear and install certainty. When you're ready, sit in a comfortable chair. Eliminate all distractions. Close your cell phone and all other distractions. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And as you exhale through the mouth, begin to let go. Let go of everything outside this moment, just for now. You don't have to try to relax. Your body knows how to soften. Your breath knows how to slow. And your mind can simply begin to drift inward. Imagine a screen in front of you. On that screen is you in a sales moment where one of those old fears used to show up. Just notice what you see. Now, imagine something different. Imagine you just 3 months into the future. This version of you has let go of doubt, released the fear, and stepped fully into confidence. Watch that version of you step right into the screen and replace the old you. Let the image shift. Colors become brighter. Sounds become clearer. The body language transforms. Feel that new version lock in place. It's done. And now, just let that confidence settle into your nervous system. A knowing, a calm, unstoppable certainty. Take a breath in and bring yourself back to the room. When you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. And now, just let that confidence settle into your nervous system. A knowing, a calm, unstoppable certainty. Take a breath in and bring yourself back to the room. When you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. To experience more trances like this one, visit www.thehypnoticsellingmachine.com. There, you'll discover free techniques to feel great on demand, immersive multimedia sales training, and a link to our YouTube channel. Like one of my clients said, "It's so good, it feels almost illegal." Imagine just the other day, you were feeling lousy, heavy, stuck, maybe even a little frustrated, and then ploof, just a few minutes in this trance, and something shifts. You come out feeling great. So good, in fact, you can't even remember what used to bother you. Isn't it fantastic? As you already know, the past is the past. You can't change what happened, but you can change how you feel about it. And as you do that, you begin to feel differently right now in the present. And from that place, it becomes easier to shape the future, the one you want. Maybe you can imagine yourself a few months from now, noticing how much better you feel, how much more confident and in control you are. And perhaps a year or two from now, you can look back to today as the moment where everything quietly began to change. Thank you for listening. And remember, visit our website and YouTube channel for more powerful trances and more moments like this one.